everybody, welcome back, and Bella says welcome back too. Today's video is going to be a clean and organize with me type of video. I recently moved. I am just so excited and really wanting to like sort it out and sort my style out and figure out what I want to do with this place. Again, I'm so sorry that the angle's weird. I just haven't prepared anything. I'm impromptu filming this video, so I really hope that you enjoy it. And before we get started, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Now let's get to the cleaning and organizing. So I'm going to start by getting everything off this coffee table. I just spilt a really big cup of coffee on the floor. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I did. And I'm just going to measure this suitcase so I can pop it on Facebook Marketplace and then continue on with cleaning the rest of the living area.
Had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
I bought these boxes, these organization boxes from Kmart to pop all of my kind of storage things in. So far so good. I just wish I had gotten more of them because I can't find them anywhere in Kmart.
You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out.
So here is where I've discovered the stain, and so what I'm doing is I'm just taking a microfiber cloth and dabbing the excess off, and then I'm going to deal with the rest of it later.
Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize.
So I originally had my desk in the sunroom, but I didn't really like it there, so I decided to move it into the living room just behind the couch, and this is me doing it. When I'm fast forwarding it, it looks so easy, but trust me, this was a mission and a half to do.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep trying.
So instead of my desk in that sunroom area, I wanted to put this really beautiful outdoor set. And so I just moved that into place and made sure I liked where it was. And in the next couple of clips, I'm just going to be organizing my kitchen, and then I'm going to be putting my bedroom together.
I'll be your tell me of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be